Today we're going to talk about the true cost of chemicals. A lot of you guys are not knowing the actual cost to make a gallon. I'm going to show you how. So get a product. In this case, I grabbed the grease eater, and it's a 7.5 pound pail with cost $85. So cost 85. Weight is 7.5 pounds. That's what the chemical cost, and it's 7.5 pounds. So in order to see how much it really truly cost, you would look at the dilution. So in the normal, as a pre-spray in this example, it says 1 ounce with 1 gallon of water. So we need to figure out how many ounces are in there. So we're going to take the pounds, multiply it by 16, which is 16 ounces in 1 pound. Equals 120. So what that means is that 120 is how much pre-spray you'll be able to make. So you'll be able to make 120 gallons. But how do we figure out the cost per gallon? So you take the 85, which is the cost of the product, and you divide that by 120, which is how many it's going to make. When you divide that, that equals to 70 cents. So basically what that means is, to make a gallon of this pre-spray, your actual cost is 70 cents to make a gallon ready to use. So if you're not doing that with your chemicals, you really need to. It's going to tell you what your true cost is. Thank you.
Come check us out at magicwandcompany.com.